Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Marcy's Scenic Kitchen. Today I will be doing baked chicken and gungo rice and peas, so stay tuned. So I have washed the peas 2 times. Now I'm gonna add 4 cups of water to cook it. Add 4 pegs of garlic and let peas pressure for 30 minutes. So you know Jamaica is all about the herb, the spice and the flavor. So I have prepared my green seasoned sauce to put on my baked chicken. All-purpose season, chicken season, meat spice, cayenne pepper, and garlic. And a teaspoon of browning to help give the chicken color. Next, I'm gonna add the main ingredients, my barbecue sauce. Doesn't that look yummy? And half teaspoon of salt for flavor. Now we're gonna rub in all of that season together. Let chicken marinate for 25 minutes so it can absorb all of that seasoned. Let chicken cook for 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit. I will be adding 4 cups of coconut milk because I'm cooking 3 pounds of rice. So it all depends on the amount of rice that you're cooking. For example, if you're cooking 4 pounds of rice, you can use 5 to 6 cups of coconut milk. One tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Thyme, scallion, and pepper. Chicken has been in the oven for 50 minutes. Now it's time to put on the dressing so you can get the finished touch. After dressing, put back the chicken in the oven for the remaining 10 minutes.